This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. I'm pregnant, he said while smiling happily, and you hugged him tightly, which made him stumble. It's like he is having mixed feelings. He don't know what to say. Why are you not talking? Are you happy? So that is the reason no words are coming from your mouth? You said while laying your head on his chest, and then he spoke. Jungkook, we are going to be parents. I am going to be father, he said, and you nodded your head in his embrace. He's feeling happy, he wants to become father, and now his wish is getting fulfilling. When your movements had been erected by Doctor and Theo, you're going to be uncle. Theo, why? Am I getting wrinkles on my hair, forehead? See, doctor, check it, he said, which made you take the pen and you throw at him. I'm pregnant. Theo, oh God, that means you ate a baby? It is waste to tell him. Can we go, doctor? Doctor, you can go and take these medicines which I have been prescribed, he said, and everyone nodded their head and then left the hospital. Jungkook, when I have to go to office, go with Taehyung. Okay, take care. You said, and he left while bidding bye to you. Jungkook took his phone and he called Sarang and he told that he wants to meet her. Sarang, what is the reason you called me? She said coldly. Indeed, her voice changed around him. Jungkook, when is pregnant? He said while looking down, which made her shocked. Sarang, wow, what a game. That means you never loved me. She said mockingly, which made his head shot up. Jungkook, never point out my love. If I didn't love you, I would leave you. We both drank and we lost our... I'm sorry for hurting you, he said, while his eyes never left from her and a sad chuckle left from her. Sarang, okay, you're going to be dead and I'm really happy for you. Jungkook, I'm sorry, Sarang. Sarang, no, don't be. What we did is a mistake and it is time to rectify it. Let us part our way for our future now. Ryan is your life and she is your future. She's carrying a baby. I'm sure of that. She loves you so much. Jungkook, indeed she loves me so much, he said, and Sarang nodded her head. Sarang, yeah, it is understandable. Jungkook, but you are the beautiful memory in my life. I'm sorry, but I can't be selfish now. I have to take care of them. I'm sorry for making you wait for me. Even I know there will be no future for us. Please forgive me. Sarang, leave about it. I will forget about it, okay? Just be happy with your family and let's be like strangers, as we never knew each other, she said, and Jungkook nodded his head. Sarang, we are officially breaking up. And goodbye, Jungkook. Jungkook, goodbye, Sarang, he said, and he started walking away from him, not seeing him. Tears are flowing from both of their eyes, but they wiped it because it will be the last day for both of them that they are crying for each other. Jungkook, hope to not see you again, he mumbled while he wiped his tears. Then he made his way to his home. Jungkook, where are you? He asked while removing his shoes, and you shouted from kitchen. I'm in kitchen, wait, I'm coming, he said, and you came to the living room. Then you saw him. Gyuk, what's wrong? Your eyes are red. He said while tapping his cheeks, which made his heart flutter. He understood that he can fall in love again, slowly yet steadily. He's going to fall in love with you. Jungkook, Nothing, just something fell in my eyes. He said, and you nodded your head as okay. Chandru, this is for you. You. Wow, ice cream? But I love choco chips. Never mind, I'll eat it. He said, and he was about to eat it, but then he stopped you. Chandru, not until we have food. We are going to eat lot of veggies and lot of fresh things. He said, which made you pout. And he giggled at your cuteness. Chandru, your cute tricks not going to trap me. You. Okay, my cutie. He said, and again his heart fluttered when you called him with that nickname. And he's loving you. Finally he understood that you are the one for him. Chandru, we have to tell to Appa and Amma, right? You. Yeah, they will be happy if they will get to know about this. Chandru, we'll call them today at night, but not Teonghan because I'm really irritated by his childish behavior. He said, which made you giggle, and you nodded your head. You. Okay, Kiki. Chandru, and you're not going to work. I will take care of you. You. But I will work. Chandru, don't worry. From today I will start working from night.
लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव सुर्ख वाला सोज वाला फैज वाला लव होता है जो लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव इश्क वाला लव हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव अगर उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला लव रोशनी दिन चढ़ा, इश्क वाला ला जाके बादलों की जाली के पीछे से कर चांदनी ये मुझको इतला, लेकिन नूर सारा चांद मेरा यहीं पे है छुपा छुपा हुआ। इश्क वाला ला हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला ला ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला ला अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ। इश्क वाला ला